250 years. Wow. What would it have been like if I was there? I'd probably have to film it, of course. I probably need to make an edit out of it. And I probably need to brand it too. The birth of America.
Good day. Here we are in Philadelphia.
We've got all the colonies here, and we're making history. We all got together and wrote down our grievances. This is for King George III. All of us signed it. We're ready to do this. Let's go. Adios, Georgie. It's basically like the birth of a new nation. Happy birthday to the United States. I just heard some kind of bell go off. Yep, I heard it come from right over there. Basically a big party in the streets. Everyone is down here.
It's just magical.
The music is great. The food is great. The vibe is on point.
So we came down from New York to check it out.
Yeah, and so glad we did. What a perfect way to spend the weekend.
Yep.
Yes.
Totally worth it.
I love it out here. I never ever want to go home.
Our Continental Congress has declared independence. Can you believe it? Hundreds of years from now, people will celebrate this day. Happy birthday, United States!
Is there gonna be birthday cake?
Cheers to the first ever United States of America!
Happy birthday, United States.
Dad, plunge. Dad.